striking the body surface to elicit sounds that can be heard or vibrations that can be felt is? And the options are inspection, palpation, percussion, and auscultation. So the act of striking the body surface to elicit the sound technique is known as percussion. So here the right answer is percussion. The most reliable site for checking body temperature is, and the options are mouth, axilla, rectum, and groin. So the most reliable site for checking the body temperature is rectum because of the sufficient blood supply. Next question. A clinical judgment about the individual, family, or community response to actual or potential health problem or life process is, and the options are nursing diagnosis, assessment, implementation, and evaluation. So the clinical judgment about the individual, family, or community response to the actual or potential health problems are known as nursing diagnosis. Next question. The process of sorting casualties according to priority of care and transport is called. The options are intensive care, triage, first aid, and rehabilitation. So the process of sorting the casualties according to priority is called as triage. The position in which the patient lies on his back, head of the bed lowered, and the foot raised in a straight incline is called. So here the options are Fowler's position, Singh's position, lithotomy position, and Trendelenburg position. So here the right answer is Trendelenburg position. Next question. While applying suction to air passages, the suction attempt should not exceed more than, the options are 10 minutes, 10 to 15 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds, and 5 minutes. So here the right answer is 10 to 15 seconds. So we usually say the suction should be always less than 10 seconds, but here the option is available as 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, and the next question, Mr. Rajan, 50 years is ordered intravenous dextrosaline 2400 ml in 24 hours. So calculate the rate of flow. So this is a mathematical question. So here you need to do the calculations. So here we will consider the adult drop factor as 15. So the amount of fluid to be administered into drop factor divided by time in seconds. So 2400 is the amount of fluid to be administered into 15, that is the drop factor, divided by time in seconds. So 24 into 60. So here the right answer will be 25 drops. You can do the calculation. Okay. Next question. The temperature of ear irrigation should be between. So the options are 40 to 41 degrees Celsius, 37 to 38 degrees Celsius, 33 to 34 degrees Celsius, and 35 to 36 degrees Celsius. So the temperature for ear irrigation should be between 37 to 38 degrees Celsius. The next question. The first aid treatment for snake bite include the following except, and the options are help the person to lay down with the head and shoulders raised, instruct not to move the bitten part, immobilize the bitten limb, and slash the wound with a knife. So here the question is, the first aid treatment for snake bite include all the following except. So we usually never do slashing the wound with a knife. That is again injury. Next question. A disease that spread very widely in a community or a specific geographic area is called, and the options are endemic, epidemic, sporadic, and pandemic. So a disease that spread very widely in a community is known as epidemic, whereas endemic means a disease which found regularly in a certain area, and pandemic means an epidemic that spread over multiple countries, and sporadic means the disease that is occurring at regular intervals. The next question, the BCG vaccine should be kept between the temperature. So the options are 0 to 2 degrees Celsius, 8 to 10 degrees Celsius, 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. So here the right answer is 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. The next question. The Prevention of Food Adulteration Act came into force in. The options are 1996 January, 1955 June, 1997 December, and 2000 January. So the Prevention of Food Adulteration came into force on 1955 June. The organic substances that settle down during the process of sewage treatment as sediment is called. The options are sludge, scum, sludge, and sewage. So the organic substances that settle down during the process of sewage treatment is known as sludge. Whereas sludge is the wastewater from the house as well as the office which does not contain any organic fecal matters. And sewage is the wastewater from the community that contains fecal matters. Next question. The backbone of maternal and community health service is. The options are home visit, under 5 clinic, maternal clinics, and child health services. So the backbone of maternal and community health services are home visit. Calciferol deficiency results to. The options are night blindness, angular stomatitis, rickets, and scurvy. So calciferol deficiency may leads to rickets. Whereas night blindness is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A, angular stomatitis is caused due to any fungal infections, and scurvy is happening because of the deficiency of vitamin C. Next question. World Health Day is celebrated on. The options are April 10, April 9, April 2, and April 7. So here the right answer is April 7. Next question. Incubation period of chickenpox is. The options are 10 to 21 days, 1 to 7 days, 8 to 14 days, and 14 to 21 days. So the incubation period of chickenpox is 10 to 21 days. Next question. What is used to find out the amount of residual chlorine in water? So the options are ozonation, ultraviolet irradiation test, Horrocks apparatus test, and orthotoluidine test. So here the right answer is orthotoluidine test. Whereas Horrocks apparatus is used to identify the amount of bleaching powder needed to disinfect the water. The next question. The National Health Policy has been formulated and accepted by the central government on. The options are September 2000, September 2007, September 2002, and September 2010. So here the right answer is September 2002. Immunity level exhibited by a group of individuals or a community towards a particular disease is called. The options are acquired immunity, natural immunity, herd immunity, and passive immunity. So here the right answer is herd immunity. The first contact point of community with medical officer. The options are home, primary health center, community health center, and district hospital. So the first contact point of a community with a medical officer is at primary health center. An observation that is written like a short story is. The options are daily diary, cumulative record, family record, and anecdotal record. So an observation that is written in the form of a short story is known as anecdotal record. This is also known as incidental record or incidental report. The effectiveness of duration of copper 380A from the day of insertion is dash years. The options are 5 years, 10 years, 7 years, and 15 years. So the copper 380A has a effectiveness period up to 10 years. The intensity of light is measured in. The options are lux, pound, lumen, and hertz. So the intensity of light is measured in lux. Next question. Report is a form of dash communication. Options are downward, upward, horizontal, and informal. So report is a form of upward communication. How many doses of vitamin A is given to a child below 6 years as per National Vitamin A Prophylaxis Program? The options are 7 doses, 8 doses, 9 doses and 12 doses. So here the right answer is 9 doses. Multi-purpose health worker program was started on the recommendation of Dash Committee. The options are Kartar Singh Committee, Mukherjee Committee, Deliar Committee and Bohr Committee. So the multi-purpose health worker program was started on the basis of Kartar Singh Committee. Next question. Headquarters of UNICEF is at. The options are Geneva, New Delhi, Paris and New York. So the headquarters of UNICEF is at New York. Next question. The population coverage of community health center in a hilly area. The options are 1 lakh population, 80,000, 1,20,000 and 30,000 population. So the population coverage at a community health center in hilly area is 80,000. A client's electrolyte report shows that serum potassium level is 2.9. Which among the following is an ECG changes that can be expected? The options are absent P wave, elevated T waves, prominent U wave and elevated ST segment. So here the right answer is prominent U wave. The prominent U waves are always associated with the low levels of potassium. The next question, Trousseau sign of latent tetany is a clinical test for which electrolyte abnormality? And the options are hyperkalemia, hypocalcemia, hypercalcemia and hyponatremia. So here the right answer is hypocalcemia. Trousseau signs and Chvostek signs are the two signs indicating hypocalcemia.